Hello guys, I am from GoGraphs Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 6 that has been taken from exercise 5.2 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. The question is differentiate cos x raised power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5 with respect to x. Here I have written solution. Solution is equal to let y equal to cos x raised to power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5. So here you can see in the given function, it consists of two different functions. First function be cos x raised to power 3 and second function be sin square x raised to power 5. So here I shall apply chain rule, not chain rule. Here I shall apply product rule. Because two different function is going to be multiplied here, so here I shall apply in this function product rule. The product rule says if u and v be two different functions, then d over dx u multiply to v equal to u dot d over dx v plus v dot d over dx u. The product rule is this one. Here in this function, first function is cos x raised to power 3 dot and second function will be sin square x raised to power 5. dwrtx I shall do here. dwrtx means differentiating with respect to x. This function is going to be differentiated with respect to x. So here I have written d over dx y equal to d over dx cos x raised to power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5. Here I shall apply product rule. Cos x raised to power 3 is first function and sin square x raised to power 5 be second function. D over d will be conjugated to y, it will become dy over dx equal to first function I have left cos x raised to power 3, I have produced here, dot d over dx second function sin square x raised to power 5 plus second function sin square x raised to power 5 dot d over dx cos x raised to power 3. Imply that d over dx equal to cos x raised to power 3 dot d over dx sin x raised to power 5 का whole square it will become, because sin square x raised to power 5 can be written as sin x raised to power 5 का whole square. Sin square x raised to power 5 dot here d over dx cos x raised to power 3 can be written as, here I have explained through chain rule. The result of d over dx cos x raised to power 3, I have produced the final result. Here you can see minus sin x raised to power 3 dot 3x square. What will do here? The core function. The core function here is x raised to power 3. X raised to power 3 will be differentiated with respect to x. You will get here 3x square. And other function will be cos x raised to power 3. So cos x raised to power 3 will be differentiated, will be d over dx cos x comes out here sin x, and that pattern I have written minus sin x raised to power 3. It will become. Just go through here. I have applied chain rule in case of two different interlinked functions. Again I have written d over dx equal to cos x raised to power 3, and here you can see d over dx sin x raised to power 5 का whole square. This function consists of three different functions. All these three different functions are conjugated together and form the original function, this one. The first function I shall take as a whole function. So we will get apply this formula d over dx x raised to power n equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. On basis of this formula, I have produced this whole square. 2 will go here in center, and here inside the core value will be written here, and it will become n minus 1. In place of n, I shall write here 2. 2 minus 1 comes out here 1. And The inside function you can see sin x raised to power 5 will be differentiated. We will get here cos x raised to power 5. D over dx sin x equal to cos x. So on basis of d over dx sin x equal to cos x. On basis of this, you will get here d over dx sin x raised to power 5 cos x raised to power 5 you will get. Now, first function as whole function I have differentiated, you have got this. Inside function I have differentiated, you have got this one. And the core function here is x raised to power 5. Will be differentiated, you will get here 5 x raised to power 4 on basis of the formula. And here you can see this minus this 3 will multiply together, you will get here minus 3 x square it will come, and this sin x raised to power 3 I have reflected, and here you will get sin square x raised to power 5. Now d over dx equal to, here 5 will multiply to 2 will get here 10, and x raised to power 4 will get 2 minus 1 comes out here 1, so sin x raised to power 5 will get, and here cos x raised to power 5 will get, and here cos x raised to power 3 will get, and here again minus 3x square dot sin x raised to power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5 you have got. So the final answer you have got, answer equal to 10x raised to power 4 dot sin x raised to power 5 dot cos x raised to power 5 dot cos x to the power 3 minus 3x square dot sin x to the power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5. This will be the correct answer for the differentiation of the function cos x raised to power 3 dot sin square x raised to power 5 WRT(x). This is a proper explanation and solution of question number 6 that has been taken from exercise 5.2 continuity and differentiability related to chapter 5 here. Okay guys, thanks.